In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Microsoft Loop with external users. Whether you're collaborating with clients, colleagues from other organizations, or partners, sharing content through Microsoft Loop can enhance your project's efficiency and communication. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, open your preferred web browser and type Microsoft Loop into the search bar. Hit Enter, and from the list of search results, select the official Microsoft Loop website. This will bring you to the home page where you can get started. Once there, you'll need to sign in. If you aren't already logged into your Microsoft account, now's the time. Use your credentials to access all the features Microsoft Loop has to offer. If you encounter any issues signing in, double-check your username and password or see if there's any downtime with the service. Now let's move on to sharing content. Look towards the top right corner of the page after you've logged in. You should see a Share button. Clicking on this will bring up your sharing options. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to choose wisely depending on what you want to share. Here you'll have a decision to make. Do you want to share the entire workspace or just a specific page? Consider the content access needs of the external users. Sharing an entire workspace might be useful for ongoing collaborations, while sharing a specific page could be sufficient for a limited project or task. Make your selection accordingly. Next, you'll need to specify who you want to invite. Simply type the email address of the person you wish to share the content with. Be careful to enter the correct email address to avoid any mix-ups. Double-check the address for any typos, which could otherwise lead the invitation astray. After entering the email, look for the Send or Invite button. Clicking this will send an invitation to the person whose email you entered. This step is crucial as it formally invites them to access the content you've chosen to share. Finally, it's important to note that in order for the external user to access the shared content, they must have a guest account within your Microsoft 365 tenant. If they don't have one already, you might need to work with your IT department to ensure this is set up correctly. The guest account provides the necessary permissions for viewing or editing shared materials, ensuring seamless collaboration. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily share content on Microsoft Loop with external users, fostering more effective teamwork across organizational boundaries. With a secure sign-in, clear sharing permissions, and easy invitation, Microsoft Loop ensures your collaborative projects run smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll tackle more tips and tricks to boost your productivity.